Welcome friends, local Florida gal here. Today we're in Magic Kingdom and tonight we're gonna go ahead and take a little adventure on the Jingle Cruise. It's that time of year, so let's do this.
How many hippos? Two guys. Please join us, my friends.
Thank you.
My two, right this way.
Thank you.
You're gonna go all the way around.
Thank you.
You're gonna go sit right here next to my speaking double show. They don't have to be what do apologize. And your friend, you're gonna come all the way down here and sit on that magic square. Do you wanna know why we call it a magic square?
Why?
Because we legally can't call it a trap door anymore. Oops. Watch them use those handrails. All right, guys. We are gonna stuff this boat like a stocking. Yeah, I actually get paid for the amount of people I take out to the double, not the amount I take back. Yeah. Guys, I'm joking. I don't get paid, please. Jared wants to stop use those handrails. And once everybody's seated, guys, we are gonna make like a dreidel and take this boat for a spin. Yeah. Jared wants to use those handrails. We're also gonna go get some cargo. I don't know much about cargo, but I know a lot about boat go. Yeah, I can make this boat go. Anyway, Jared wants to use those handrails. And guys, it looks like we just might be clear. Alright guys, for your safety, please remain seated with your hands on your feet and legs inside the boat at all times, and parents supervise your children. Now everybody take your favorite day to play goodbye to all the nice people on the dock. Bye guys! No, we have to buy all the naughty ones. Bye skippers! Yeah! Anyway guys, welcome to the world famous Jingle Cruise. Wait. Jingle Cruise. Yeah, that was my first Noel. But my name is Skipper Grace, and I will be your tour guide, your tree trimmer, your popcorn stringer, and your secret Santa. Oh, I actually wasn't supposed to tell you all about that, so forget about it. Anyway, we're now on the Amazon River. And guys, these bugs over here just scattered around, these are called humbugs, okay? So if we listen very closely, we might actually be able to listen to them make their sound. Okay, ready? Did y'all hear it? No? Okay, I'll listen over here. Did you hear it that time? No? Okay, I'll listen in the front. I really want you to hear it. Okay, I'll listen. Bah! Yeah, they're bah humbugs. Isn't that crazy? Anyway, guys, we are now on the Congo River, and folks, it only gets more dangerous but more jolly from here. So let's see how far this boat can go. I mean, I wouldn't know. I've never made it this far. But guys, behind me we have boats and baits and weights, and I'm actually throwing a Christmas party. You're all invited, don't worry. And there's gonna be like ugly sweaters and gingerbread houses and cookies, you know, the whole 9 yards. And look, oh, well, so there's no people or decorations. I mean, I don't see anyone. Canoe. Isn't that crazy? They didn't show up to my party. I'm so like kind of heartbroken. Oh, right up here. Okay, so they didn't show up to my party. So in return, they got me a decrepit old tree with a bubble on top. I mean, I'll take it, but I mean, I guess decorating for holidays really is a blast. Yeah. Oh, wait, this is where the party is. Okay, hey guys. Oh my gosh, and you finally got that truck to turn over. Wow, it looks like someone got a monkey wrench in their stocking. All right, guys, thanks for showing up finally. I mean, love ya, miss ya, see you later. Anyway, all right, guys, we are now on the Nile River, which is the longest river in the world, and it stands for Niles, and Niles, and Niles, and Niles. And if you don't believe me, you're in Africa. Thank you. Okay, guys, I've actually taught these elephants how to sing, and we're just gonna listen to them sing. Okay, ready? Yeah, that was their rendition of Silent Night. Isn't that awesome? Anyway, guys, we are now entering the Great African Belt, which holds up the Great African Pants. This actually has our widest range of animals ranging from there to there. Yeah, and all of these animals have been gathering for a holiday party. Oh my gosh! And guys, look, aww! That zebra is pretending to be asleep to avoid talking to its extended family at dinner. How sweet is that? Wow! I mean, I do the same thing. Wait, no. Yeah, that zebra's dead. Anyway, moving right along over here. Oh! Yeah. Guys, this is crazy. What? I mean, like, gee, Mr. Rhino, I usually straight popcorn. That's crazy, but guys, that's the North Pole, right? No? I mean, I saw it was a pole. I just honestly assumed that it was north, but I'm not really good with directions, because who am I with telling? Please. Anyway, we are now in crocodile territory, you guys. And right over here, we have my good friend, Mr. Frost. But guys, be careful of Mr. Frost, because Mr. Frost bites. Yeah. And right next to him on this side, that is Ginger. Also be careful of Ginger, because Ginger snaps. Yeah, she is one tough cookie. But right here at the front, we have the one, the only Schweitzer Wolf, because Schweitzer Wolf can get a little bit loud, but I'm going to tell you the joke anyway. Okay, so this one time. Oh no, we didn't hear it. And then he pulled out 2 partridges in a pear tree. It's okay, guys, you can laugh. Anyway, guys, I'm just kidding. Right up here. Oh. A grounded airplane. I mean, I know holiday travel is like notoriously difficult, but guys, a grounded airplane can only mean one thing. Hippos. Oh my gosh, and I was correct. Everybody remain calm, remain calm. These hippos think ships are our boats last week, but do not worry. Only 5 of them are mine. I will scare them away like I scare away all of my exes during the holidays. I love you! I want you to come to Christmas dinner. Oh yeah, see? Works every time. Anyway, guys, right up here. Oh no. No. All right, guys, stay silent. These are the killers that don't really want them to know I'm home. They just keep singing and they keep asking for figgy pudding, and they won't leave until they get some. They just won't leave until they get some. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gone. Anyway, all right, thank you guys. Anyway, guys, you weren't supposed to open your gifts early. I spent so long wrapping those presents, but guys, I'm actually really good at wrapping presents. You want to see? Presents! Presents! Woo! Anyway, that is the moment you've all been waiting for. We are about to pass under the 8th wonder of the world. Everybody give it up for the backside of water! It was a chemistry joke. I make them periodically. You know, I actually was trying to make a joke at Thanksgiving dinner about oxygen and potassium, but it was just okay. And now, folks, we are now on the Mekong River, and we're going. Oh, guys, if I am not mistaken, I'm not mistaken, I'm Grace. But if I'm not mistaken, I believe that we are about to enter Santa's workshop. Okay, guys, so I'll see you on the other side. I'm so excited. you. I have brought you to an open bathing pool. And folks, feel free to take as many pictures as you would like. They've all got their trunks on. Yeah, all of these elephants are surely celebrating a wet Christmas. How sweet of them. Oh my gosh, guys, that is a sight to see. That is a baby elephant bathing under a full moon. How sweet is that? So cute. Anyway, oh, it looks like he's about to spray everybody. Duck, duck, duck. Goose. You silly gooses. Don't even know. Squirt. Come on, be nice. You know Santa is always watching. Thank you. Yeah, don't even think about it. But guys, if you were worried if that's water coming out of their noses, don't worry. It's not. It's not. Yeah, it's not water. Oh, and folks, we are now entering the scariest part of our expedition. The return to civilization. Oh, the horrifying. Guys, I know what is on your minds, and guys, yes, there is a gift shop where you can do all of your last minute holiday shopping. Come on, guys. Right up here we have Trader Sam's famous gift shop. I will just show y'all around. Right here in the very front, we have two monkeys and a boxing match. But don't worry, guys. I told them to keep it brief. Yeah. Now, that monkey actually takes all of our Santa pictures, and people always ask us how much we pay the monkey to take the pictures, but he's really just doing it for the exposure. Yeah, pretty much. But you know what, guys? I have a question for you all. How much did Santa pay for his sleigh? Nothing. It was on the house. It was on the house. Yeah. Another question. What's the difference between Hanukkah and a dragon? Hanukkah's 8 days, but dragons 8 nights. Yeah, you have to think about it. Right. Anyway, guys, we laughed together. That was mostly me. We cried together. Yeah, that one was actually entirely me. I cried in the temple, guys. I really thought it was going to be Santa's workshop. Like, I was really surprised. And we very nearly died together. But, you know, guys, out of all of my crews that I've taken into the jungle, you guys have certainly been the most recent. Yeah, that's it. Yeah! Congratulations, guys. Ooh, yeah! Anyway, I'm just kidding, guys. Y'all have been outstanding on my boat. But in a few seconds up, I really need y'all to be out! Standing! On that dock! Woo! Yeah! So guys, if you did enjoy your cruise today, my name is Skipper Grace. So it's Grace spelled HELPME. Yeah. Anyway, anybody like this song, Jingle Bells? Y'all want to hear my rendition of it? Ready? Y'all can sing along once you learn it. Because as we do approach the song, please remain seated with your hands on your feet, like inside the boat at all times.